33 Vertebrae and back. We are riding the dragon. And now we're gonna see Unity as the operating system. So we've been seeing how to build conscious businesses, business that are in line consciousness, because it is we are creating from consciousness. We are bringing in downloading directly from consciousness. So what kind of systems can we have that are directly connected to consciousness to enhance our way of doing business, our way of thriving, and bringing solutions to this kind of reality and bring new things that are needed in this reality? So every conscious business is built on unity. That is the first thing, because we believe that everything is one. We are creating from consciousness, just different parts. That is what we're doing here. So, how do we create from consciousness? So, currently the business we're doing is from when we have competition, like everyone wants their own piece, control everything, and no one gets the other. You see, that is the kind of reality we're living. But in conscious business, we see that everything is one. We are just playing different parts, the same system. It's like another one is the eye, another one is the nose, another one is the mouth. They're all playing different things, but to fulfill the same objective of the whole body. So that is the first thing we need to understand. So employees are not resources, but are co-creators. Everyone is, is creating at their own level. Every level where they are, that is the most important bit they're building. Like for example, humans are playing their part, ants are playing their part, fish are playing their part. So everybody is equally doing their part in this reality, depending on the capability and the skills and the that they are built in, the natural template that they came in. So the employees in this case, they are just coming with such a kind of template. Yeah? And they're playing their role at that stage, yeah. But does not mean that their role is not important. Their role is super important because without them, the role they're playing, the whole will not be working. So that is one thing that we need to understand. So the organization is not a hierarchy; it is a living system where every soul's purpose contributes to the whole. So even the one cleaning, the cleaning person is playing a very important role because ensuring that the magnetic fields of the place that people are doing business is at a certain level, certain high level. Yeah. The same way the CEO is also playing another important role, ensure that the managerial skills of certain places are also doing their own thing. Yeah. So every person is playing their important role. So the whole idea of coming to this reality is to evolve, is to grow ourselves into the next level that we're supposed to be. We are always moving towards our higher selves. Each one is on their own journey with skills equipped to walk that path. But as you're walking that path, these skills that you have are about serving a certain solution in this reality. So as you play that solution, the thing that you're working on and working on in this reality at this time, evolving, is playing a role, contributing physically and in other dimension spaces. And everyone is important. Everything that you are doing is important, and there is no hierarchy in this thing. So employees do not work as people on a salary, but divine beings fulfilling a divine mandate. So you're not just there working, waiting for your doing a 9 to 5, waiting for your salary in the end of the month after 30 days. Yeah, you are there playing your universal role, your contribution, your role of this lifetime. And as you're doing that role, you're getting just a compensation to make sure that your things are working okay. But in this case, since it is unity, everything is working okay. Those who are supposed to build the house are building the houses. Those who are supposed to build the food are building the food. So everybody is working their own thing for the universal contribution of everyone. So they are here to deploy their talents in their areas of gifting. That is what conscious leadership is about. Everyone is a leader in their area of gifting. No one is a pound. Everyone is a leader. Every role you're playing, you're a leader in that role that you're playing. So play it well with that heart, with everything continuously from the bottom of your heart, with love, in balance, and everything will be okay. Because everything that you do should do with a lot of passion. Do it for even if it's just singing with passion. Yeah, because it's the now that's more important. What you're doing now is actually playing the role and important at this time. So that's what we are doing. So in the beginning, employment becomes a means of survival. Yeah. However, we are not here to survive, but to create. Yeah. That is the difference between conscious business. Yeah. And these are the businesses we're doing here. We are not here to survive. We are here to co-create. We are co-creating and thriving in our skills, our soul giftings. Yeah, that's why it's important to always walk in your light. I'm saying that walk in your light, walk in the thing that you're naturally gifted at, the thing that you don't learn in school, but you came downloaded in your DNA, in your template. You remembered it because everything is here, everything is in ether, and you can connect and download the skills, the gifts that you have naturally that you came with in this reality. That is riding the dragon.